Hello family, I am back and today I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite healthy sweet snacks. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Así que vamos! This first one is perfect when you want something sweet that's kind of like an ice cream but not really. Si les gusta el frozen yogurt, entonces esto les va a gustar. You have to like yogurt obviously because it does have that little tartness to it. You're gonna start with 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. Like this. I like to add a little vanilla so that it has that like vanilla ice cream feeling. Y le vamos a agregar miel. Yo le agrego más o menos 10 gramos de miel. I add about like 10 grams of honey. I don't want it that sweet, but I do want it sweet. This is what it looks like. Ahora esto lo vamos a mezclar. I'm just gonna mix this. Ahora la parte divertida, los toppings. You're just gonna add whatever toppings you like. I like to add chocolate chips. I like to add these little like M&Ms, like peanut M&Ms, but they're like the Atkin ones. They actually don't have any sugar, so it's just for like a little sweet little treat. These chocolate chips are also sugar-free, if you care about that. Or you can just use like dark chocolate chips. Sometimes I'll use those. I like to add some nuts as well. Here we have, los vamos a triturar. Just roughly, you know, chop them in there. You want to add about like 15 grams of the chocolate chips, más o menos 15 gramos. Although, if you want to melt these and make some sort of like fudge, you can absolutely do that. Si quieres derretirlas y hacerlo como un sirope de chocolate, no es mala idea tampoco. Y por último, los M&Ms. This is what it looks like. Así se ve. La mejor parte de ir a frozen yogurt para mí son los toppings. Like if you really ask me, the best part of frozen yogurt is the toppings. Let's give it a try. So good. It's got that little bit of a tangy from the yogurt. It's got loads of protein, got some fiber from the nut, and the sweet treats that I like, the chocolate chips and the peanuts. I like that it's crunchy and it's sweet. It's perfect. This next treat is one of my favorites. I have them like every day. This is overnight oats. Este es avena remojada. Siempre hago para toda la semana. Es como mi desayuno o a veces lo guardo para la cena y me lo como un snack al final del día. That's what it looks like. Aquí tengo 2 tablespoons of chocolate protein powder. I also have 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I have 1/3 of a cup of oats and 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. This is all mixed in. It's been in the fridge overnight. What I like to do, I just mix in the strawberries. Estamos bien. Like you could eat this as is if you want, but sometimes I'm craving kind of like a cake kind of vibe. So I discovered that if I put this in the microwave, I get sort of a mug cake kind of thing. It's really good. Ya está todo mezclado. También me gusta agregarle nueces. I like to add some extra nut. And you can also add chocolate chips if you want. You don't have to. I'm not going to this time, but it is a nice addition. Look at this. Just mix it up really well. Flatten it a little bit. I then cover it and it goes into the microwave for about 8 minutes. But just keep an eye on it. Ya pasaron los 8 minutos. It's been 8 minutes. And this is what it looks like. Está completamente sólido. It's completely solid. And I just flip it and we have a little cake. Vamos a probarlo. Let's give it a try. Está super caliente. Extremely hot, so let it cool a little bit. Get a look. It's really good. So there's a lot of fiber in this with the chia seeds, the oats, you got protein, you got fat, fruit, like you're good. But I don't know about you, but I love my cakes with a little ice cream. So I usually make a little concoction of this sort. Sometimes I just do honey and the Greek yogurt, and then I top it a little bit, give it like a frosting kind of thing. And then you just, you know, go right in. That's the stuff. Having it with the yogurt really does take it to the next level. And the last sweet snack is one you want to have on deck all week. Usually I make one batch and then I eat it throughout the week. Pretty simple. You start with half a cup of peanut butter. You grab a banana, pull it right in. It could be one of those like almost dying bananas. Si tienen una banana súper madura, esta misma es la elegida para esta receta. ¿Sí se ve? Ahora vamos a majar la banana con la mantequilla de maní. Let's give it a good mash. Mejor con uno de estos. Van a tener como una masa de galletas, básicamente, es lo que vamos a hacer. And then the fun part, once you have your dough with the mashed banana and the mashed peanut butter, mixed peanut butter, I'm gonna crumble some delicious walnuts. We're just gonna put them in here. And we're gonna add some chocolate chips. Vamos a agregar también las chocolate chips. Queda así. Vamos a mezclarlo. Just give it a good mix. Y luego vamos a ponerlo en un baking pan. You're just gonna place them like a one tablespoon at a time. Just like that. Give it a nice shape. Luego le agregamos un par de chocolate chips más. You just top it with like a couple more chocolate chips per cookie. Just shape them because however you see them is how they're gonna come out. So make sure it has a good shape. Now you're gonna bake them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Ya salieron del horno. This is how they look. They look amazing. So this is how they turned out. They look amazing. Se ven súper bien. Y así quedaron. What do you think? They look good, huh? I almost don't want to wait. Should we try them? Let's give them a try. Vamos a probarla. Really good. They're chewy, they're soft. The first time that I did it, I did let it cook for longer and they were a lot more solid, so up to you. I like a chewy cookie, I like a crispy cookie, so these are fine for me. They're really good. I just got a little piece of walnut. Qué rico. So there you have it. These are my 3 favorite sweet, healthy snacks. You can make them any time of the week. When you want to indulge a little without ordering crumble cookies or eating a whole thing of chicheme, tienen opciones. These are your options. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, if you want to see me make my favorite salty, healthy snack, avísenme, déjenme un comentario y yo voy armando ese video y se lo subo de una vez. That's all for this week. I will see you next week. Bye!